In the automotive world, blending high-end luxury with humble practicality is a rare and often risky move. But that's exactly what Aston Martin did over a decade ago when it unveiled the Cygnet, a pint-sized luxury car based on the Toyota/Scion IQ. It was a bizarre, loophole-filling creation designed to help Aston Martin meet strict European emissions regulations. The result? A city car wearing a luxury badge, with fewer than 1,000 units ever produced. While it was controversial at launch, the Cygnet has since gained cult status among collectors and car enthusiasts alike. Now, what if you want that quirky Cygnet charm without shelling out the sky-high price that comes with owning one of the rare originals? Enter this incredible Scion IQ custom build, now listed on Bring a Trailer. It's a surprisingly accurate tribute to the Aston Martin Cygnet, and it's loaded with thoughtful modifications that go well beyond a simple body kit. This specific Scion began life as a standard IQ before undergoing a full transformation in 2014. Originally painted in Toyota's Blizzard Pearl, it now wears a more refined and elegant black finish, which gives it an upscale, stealthy appearance. But the real magic lies in the exterior makeover. The front end has been completely redesigned to resemble the Cygnet, complete with a custom grille, sculpted hood, and new bumper. Side skirts and a reworked rear bumper further enhance the look. Although the original IQ taillights remain, it's still a shockingly faithful recreation of Aston Martin's tiniest car. To complete the transformation, the builder added 16-inch wheels adorned with Aston Martin center caps, a small but significant detail that brings the entire project together. And it's not all show, either. This IQ has received functional upgrades too. Up front, you'll find Woolwood brake calipers and drilled and slotted rotors for improved stopping power. The rear suspension gets a boost from TRD sway bars and fresh springs, enhancing the car's handling and cornering ability, something you'd never expect from a city runabout. Under the hood, the 1.3-liter four-cylinder still produces 97 horsepower, but with an HKS air intake installed, it breathes a bit better and likely delivers a slightly more responsive drive. Inside, the modifications are more subtle. The cabin features black leatherette with red contrast stitching and a Sony infotainment head unit, offering a more premium feel while staying true to the IQ's compact roots. The owner, a Texas-based lawyer, has held onto the car since new and estimates he spent around $10,000 on the build. Considering the price of an original Aston Martin Cygnet, if you can even find one, this custom Scion offers a truly unique, budget-friendly alternative. What makes this build special isn't just its visual accuracy or thoughtful upgrades. It's the spirit behind it, a blend of creativity, precision, and a tongue-in-cheek nod to one of the most unusual luxury cars ever made. For those who appreciate the oddballs of the automotive world, this Scion-turned-Cygnet tribute is both amusing and admirable. Whether you're a collector, a Cygnet enthusiast, or just love clever custom builds, this car proves that sometimes, big ideas can come in small and affordable packages.